Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. So welcome to a video where I only eat pink food for 24 hours, which I'm so excited about. So if you are here, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below as always. And let's get straight on with today's video. So I've already opened my can of soda. I opened this yesterday because I filmed a American candy testing video. So yeah, honestly, this is so nice. So I thought I'd include this in today's video. So yeah, I've got this to drink this morning, which is really nice. So this is the Chupa Chups Strawberry and Cream Flavoured Sparkling Soda, which tastes really nice. Also, I've also got some Starburst jelly to make for some dessert tonight. So I'm going to make that later on. And then also what I've got is these TV snacks inspired by Krispy Kreme, which are like donut shaped biscuits. So I've got these to snack on. So yeah, I've got them. And then also left over from yesterday's video, I also have a snowball, and this is the Mrs. Freshley's one. So yeah, I've got that to snack on as well. So the plan for today is, I thought I could make some pancakes, but the only thing is I'm going to have to dye them pink. So hopefully I have some food colouring, because if I don't, I'll just be snacking on what I've got down there today. And I am going to the beach today, so I'll probably get a strawberry ice cream or something like that. And then later on to drink, I'll probably buy a milkshake because we are going shopping as well. So yeah, it's going to be a really fun video and a very good challenge. So yeah, let's go and make some pancakes for breakfast. And I will update you guys if we don't have any food colouring, because I will be just snacking on those instead. So yeah, let's go and have a look. Okay, so I've just come downstairs and I found my pink food colouring, so we can make some pink pancakes. So yeah, let's go bash on and make some of those. Hey guys, so I am going to end the vlog here. If you did enjoy it, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below as always. And I did have one meal that wasn't pink, and I did try to get a strawberry milkshake, but they weren't selling any shakes at McDonald's, so I did just have a Coke with that. And then I did kind of save it a little bit, as I did have some pink snacks later on. So yeah, this challenge was really fun and I really enjoyed it. And I definitely enjoyed making the pink pancakes. They were honestly really, really nice. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos as always. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video.